guys, this is Jo and we're doing part 2 of our series on what you should put in your CV for your New Zealand job application. So last time sinabi natin dapat i-follow nyo yung STAR approach, situation, task, action, and result. Pero dapat ma-demonstrate mo paano mo ba in-apply yung skill na yon dun sa specific role. So yun yung mga examples na gagawin natin, and for this video ang focus natin ay IT support role. And syempre, meron pa rin akong kodigo para at least mas mag-guide ko kayo. Alright, so for example, troubleshooting. Sa Filipino CV style, normally straightforward lang. Pwede nating sabing knowledgeable in computer troubleshooting. Ganun ka simple, ganun ka straightforward. But in New Zealand CV style, we need to show them how we did it. Paano nyo ba yun in-apply? And an example could be diagnosed and fixed system crash issues, restoring workstation function in under 30 minutes. Alright, so i-digest natin siya, no? So, pinakita nyo ano yung action nyo. So, nangyari tuloy, na-restore yung workstation function in just under 30 minutes. So, meron siyang parang results, and mas nai-imagine nila yun. Imbes na sabihin mong mabilis ka, na-prove mo or na-demonstrate mo kung ano yung speed mo or gaano ka ka-efficient sa ginagawa mo. Alright, so isa pa, halimbawa, gusto mong sabihin na magaling kang mag-work with minimal supervision, di mo kailangan ng bantay, or fast learner ka, paano ba yun i-demonstrate or ipapakita sa support role mo as in IT? Pwede mong sabihin, New Zealand CV style, created user-friendly IT guides, cutting support tickets by 40% during onboarding. So again, ano yung action mo? Nag-create ka ng user-friendly na IT guides. So nangyari tuloy, na-shorten or na-lessen yung mga support tickets na natatanggap ninyo during onboarding by 40%. So these are concrete examples, and at least yun, nai-imagine nila ano yung pwede mong i-contribute sa team nila. Alright, so for more examples ng ibang roles, tune in to part 3 and let me know anong gusto nyo i-feature ko ng mga roles. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.